Jai Bhim. Respected our beloved Secretary, Supreme Sphero Dr. R.S. Praveen Kumar Garu, TTWRDC Men Maripada College Principal Dr. Venkana Garu, teachers and media spheres and heroes, a warm good afternoon to all. First of all, I have to thanks to our head office for giving this wonderful opportunity in this pandemic situation in this platform. Before I'm going to start my lecture, let me introduce myself. Myself Virendra Vadlakonda. I am from TTWRDC Men Maripada, pursuing BS MPCS final year. Today I am here to lecture on sorting techniques in data structure. Welcome to Best Student Lecture. Today I am going to discuss sorting techniques in data structure. Sorting. Sorting is one of the important concept in data structure. Sorting means rearrange the elements into order, either in ascending or descending order, but within the array. For our convenience, we can make them ascending or descending order. For mostly sorting, ascending order only we do, because of easy to search in ascending order. So sorting is a process of arranging the elements in a particular order, either in ascending order or in the descending order. Here given two examples are given. First array is B, C, D, A. First array I am going to make them in ascending order. So ascending order is nothing but, for example, in alphabet, A to Z. A to Z is the ascending order. Descending order is nothing but D to A is descending order. So I want to make first array is a ascending order. So in given array, they given a list is randomly given. So in sorting techniques, we cannot find proper search in randomly. So by using of sorting techniques, we avoid the random and we can easy to get sorting techniques. So given B, C, D, A, I want to make them in ascending order. B, A after B, B after C, C after D. So by writing up in system algorithms, we can make them in ascending order. Now I am going to make them in descending order. B, C, D, A is our second array. So I want to make them in sorting in descending order. D after C, C after B, B after C, B after A. So this is our sorted list in ascending order and descending order. One example, I have a dictionary. I want to search a one word. Dictionary contains thousands of words. In thousands of words, how can I get one word? Which can I choose? For our easiness, the sorting techniques are introduced. In dictionary, we have alphabetical order. In alphabetical order, A to Z, then in the A to Z alphabetical order, we have words up to A to Z. So for our easy, convenient and easy to search, the sorting techniques are helpful in the dictionary. And next one, our phone contact list. In our phone contact list, we have hundreds of numbers. We have contact. So how can I find our neither number in hundreds of number? So to avoid the randomness, sorting techniques are introduced. For this, we can easy to search again within the short time, within the time. So sorting techniques are mostly we are using nowadays. Types of sorting. We have selection sort, insertion sort, bubble sort, quick sort, merge sort, heap sort. We have 6 types of sorts is there. Now I am going to discuss selection sort. Selection sort is nothing but which finds the smallest element in the array and adjust it with the element in the first position. Then find the second smallest element and exchanges it within the element in the second position. It continues until the entire array is sorted. It means I have given one example here. I given a unsorted list here 49510. First position is 4. Now I have to exchange the position with the smallest element. So here now I am searching the smallest element with the first position. First iteration 4 and 9 is I am going to compare. 4 is greater than 4 is less than 9. So they are in the sorted list. No need to swap. Now comparing 4 with first position with the smallest element 4 and 5. 4 is smaller than comparing element, so no need to swap. Now comparing first position with smallest element is 1. So first position is comparing with the smallest element, so 4 is greater than 1, so I have to swap them because of in first position I have to insert smallest element, so I am swapped. After swapping first smallest element, first position takes smallest element and now I have to swap. Now I have to search smallest element in the given list. So 9 greater than 1, 5 greater than 1, 4 greater than 1, 0 is less than 1. So I have to swap with first position with 0. So after swapping 0 will be the first position and 9, 5, 4, 1, because after swap for 0 for the smallest element is comes first and the first position comes last position. So after completing done the iterations of 5 and 6, we got the sorted list. Finally sorted list is 0, 1, 4, 5, 9. This is our final selection sorted list. Selection sort complexity. Time complexities are worst case occurs when if you want to sort in ascending order, the given arrays are descending order. So if the given array is descending order, if you want to sort in the ascending order, so the worst case occurs with order of n square. Best case complexity occurs when we already sorted the list. Whenever we sorted the list, we get the best case complexity with order of n square. Average case complexity, it means whenever we are doing the sorting jumbled orders, neither ascending or descending order, it occurs average complexity with the order of n square. Space complexity, while doing sorting we may face some space complexity, so with complexity is order of 1. Now I am going to second one, discuss insertion sort. Insertion sorting is nothing but whatever the given array is given, we have to make them into subgroups, sorted session and unsorted session. By doing of this unsorted position to sorted position until all the elements are sorted in the list. So one given example here. Now I am comparing first element with second element. Comparing 5 is greater than 2. While I am doing sorting, in whatever we are doing operations is not mandatory, but what we are doing is the concept is sorting. So comparing first element and second element, since 2 is less than 5. So I have to insert 2 will be insert before 5 because of 5 is greater than 2. So I have to insert before 5. Next, comparing 5 and 9. 2 is sorted. Next I am going to comparing 5 and 9. 9 is greater than 5. No need to swap. They are in the sorted order. So now I am going to compare 9 and 6. 6 is greater less than 9. So now I am going to insert the sixth element before 9. After inserting 9, now I have to comparing 9 and 4. 4 is greater than less than 9. So I have to insert before 9. But before we have smallest elements than 9, that is 5 and 6. So 4 is less than 5. So I have to insert before 5. Next, comparing 3 and 9. While comparing 3 and 9, 3 is less than 9. So before inserting 9, we have 4 element is the smallest, then smallest element. So I am going to insert before 4. By doing of our insertion, our final result is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Insertion sort complexity. Time complexities. Worst case complexities. It occurs when we want to sort in ascending order and the array is in the descending order. The worst case occurs with order of n square. Best case occurs when already sorted list is occurred. The best case complexity is order of n, and average complexity is order of n square. Space complexity is order of 1. Next one, bubble sort. Bubble sort is nothing but comparing adjacent element and swap them if they are in the misorder or wrong order. So this bubble sort is quietly different, and in this we have to compare adjacent elements. Initially array they are given 5, 3, 8, 4, 6 they are given. So in first step I have to compare first element and second element. If they are in the sorted order, that means ascending order, no need to swap. If they are not in the sorted order, we have to swap them to make them ascending order. So comparing 5, 3, they are in the disorder. So have to make them swap to make ascending order to sort. So after comparing 5 and 3, 3, 5, 8, 4, 6 sorted, 3, 5 sorted. Next step 2, comparing second element and third element. They are in the order, no need to swap. Step 3, comparing third and fourth element. They are not in the sorted order, so we have to swap them. After swapping 4, 8, we got 3, 5, 4, 8, 6. In step 4, we have to compare fourth element and fifth element. After comparing, they are not in the sorted order, so we have to make them swap. 3, 5, 4, 6, 8. So here we got up to 5 steps, mostly sorted, but one is not sorted. 5 greater than 4. So before I'm comparing here second element and third element. Second element and third element I'm comparing. If after I'm comparing, they are not in the order, so I have to swap them. So after swapping 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, our final bubble sort is 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Finally we got sorted bubbled. So this is our bubble sort. by comparing adjacent element and swap them if they are in the wrong order. This is way to bubble sort. Bubble sort complexity, time complexities. Worst case order of n squared, and best case occurs when order of n if already sorted. Average case complexity order of n squared. Space complexity order of 1. Merge sort. Merge sort is quite different, and this based on the divide and conquer technique. It divides the input array into two halves and calls itself for the two halves and then merge the two sorted halves. That means whatever we have given array list, that will be divided into two halves, and divided into two halves, that will be divided mostly divided into a single leaves. After single leaves we have to make them sorted order. After sorted order we have to make them merge. We have to do merge. So here one example here: 38, 27, 43, 3, 9, 82, 10. Given array I am making two halves. By making two halves, 38, 27, 43, 3 is one part, 9, 82, 10 is one part. Until I getting single halves, single leaves, until I am getting single leaves, I done dividing. So 38, 27, 43, 3, 9, 82, 10 is our single leaves, single halves. So after getting single halves, I am comparing, so I am sorting 38, 27. 27 is less than 38, so greater than 38. 27, 38. 43, 3. 3 is less than 43. 9, 82. They are in the sorted order. 10. Single one is there, so no need to repeat. Now comparing the sorted list. Comparing the sorted list and make them merge. 3, 27, 38, 43, 9, 10, 82. These are our sorted list, and we have to merge the two halves by 1. Merge the two halves into 1. So by merging 3, 9, 10, 27, 38, 43, 82 is our final merge sorted. Merge sort complexity. Best case occurs when order of n log n. Worst case occurs order of n log n. Average case complexity order of n log n. Space complexity order of n. So this is quite different. This is takes a use of worst complexity by doing of merge sort. So no need to rare we are using merge sort. Now quick sort. Quick sort is quite different than whatever we discussed now. This is also divide and conquer algorithm, and this process done when this different method is happen here by selection of pivot element and ith element, jth element, and make them in ascending order and make them into two subgroups, so sub arrays like this. So now I am going to discuss example. Before going to discuss example, I will briefly explain the quick sort. In quick sort we have to select the pivot value. How we can find the pivot value? We have three ways to find the pivot values. One is first value we can choose, or in the middle value we can choose, or in the last value we can choose as a pivot. So for our convenience I am choosing first element. After choosing first element as a pivot, we have to choose ith element and jth element. Ith element is the pivot pivot besides the value is the ith element, and the in the last element is the jth element. By comparing these ith and jth value, this process going on. After choose pivot value, ith value should be increment until I is less than or equal to pivot. Jth value should be decrease until jth value greater than pivot. So here one example is there. A given series is there 84184903526. Now I am choosing first element as a pivot. Here first element is 8. So I chosen a pivot value. Next pivot value beside adjacent value is ith value, and the last value is the jth value. Here ith value is 1, jth value 6. Have to increment the ith element until ith term is greater than pivot value. Have to increase the ith element greater than pivot element. So I am going to increment the ith value until greater than pivot value. So I am increment. After increasing 1 4, 9 is greater than 8. So I stopped here. Now I am decreasing the jth element. Jth element here 6. 6 is less than 8. So no need to decrement the jth value. So 9 greater than 6. That is 6 less than 8. So swap ith and jth element. After swapping ith and jth element, after completing the swapping, now continue increment and decrement ith and jth repeatedly according to the rules. So here 9 is greater than 8, 7 is greater than 8. Now I have to increment the ith value. Coming to here, after incrementing the ith value, incrementing, last one is 9. 9 is greater than 8. So I have to stop there at the last. So because of I pivot is less than 9. So next have to decrease the jth value until the pivot value greater than ith value. So they are both are crossed over. After crossing over, we have to swap with jth value with pivot value. After swapping pivot and jth value 7 1 4 6 0 3 5 2 8 9 are both are sorted list. They are separated. Now we have to sublist with pivot element. After swap the pivot value, now we have to choose a new pivot value in the unsorted list. So here I am chosen 7 is the pivot value, and besides the 7 is 1 is ith value, and 8 9 are sorted order. No need to compare with them. So jth value is 2. After increment there is no greater than value than pivot value. So the increment is going on until the last end they stopped it, and there is no need to decrease the jth value because of 2 is greater than less than 7. So no need to decrease. We have to swap the pivot value with jth value. So 2 1 4 6 0 3 5 7 8 9. After swapping pivot 7 8 9 are sorted. No need to touch these 7 8 9 values. So we have to choose again after swapping pivot value, we have to choose a new pivot value. Here 2 is a pivot value, 1 is the ith value, 5 is the jth value. So after comparing, incrementing ith value and decrementing the jth value, 4 greater than 2, 0 is less than 2. So swap ith and jth element. Swap jth and swap j and ith element because of they are crossed over. Next, next 0 1 2 6 4 3 5 7 8 9 again to sublist as formed. So we have to make them pivot values and ith and jth value, increment and decrement. This process is going on until the all the list is sorted. So finally we got 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 is the sorted list. So in sorting technique use, last one quick sort complexity is time complexity. Worst case is order of n square. Best case complexity is big omega order of n log n. Average complexity big theta order of n log n. Space complexity order of log n. By using of these sorting techniques, we can search the easy method within the time, and we can avoid the space complexity and time complexity by doing of sortings. So thank you for your patience to listen my lecture. Thank you guys.